friends, I'm Lola the Number Bunny. Guess what? I have super cool surprises today. See these pretty boxes? Each one has something awesome inside. I wonder what's inside. Maybe a cuddly friend, or fun toys, or something super cool. Let's open the first box together. Oh, it won't open. It's stuck. Wait, what's this? A special note to open the box? We need to solve a number puzzle. Want to play number games with me? Let's go! What number do you see? Yes, 34. You're so smart. How many groups of 10 are in 34? 3 groups of 10. Great job! Now how many ones are in 34? 4 ones. So 3 tens and 4 ones make 34. Let's open the box. Wow, a bunny friend. Such a cute bunny. Come on, let's hop together. Oh, look at these blocks. Let's count them together. Big blocks first. How many big blocks do you see? 5 big blocks. That's 5 tens. High five. Now the little blocks. How many small ones? 7 little ones. So 5 tens and 7 ones make 57. Woohoo! We did it! Choo-choo! A toy train! Numbers are awesome! Look, my favorite food, carrots! Let's count them. How many carrot bunches do you see? 8 carrot bunches. That's 8 tens. Yum! Now how many single carrots? 2 single carrots. That's 2 ones. So 8 tens and 2 ones make 82. Yummy! Wow! Crayons and markers. Perfect for drawing numbers and bunnies. It's time to open the final box. Are you ready? What number is this? 96. You're a math star. How many tens in 96? 9 tens. Awesome! And how many ones? 6 ones. So 9 tens and 6 ones make 96. A golden trophy. You're the number champion. You did amazing. You opened every box. Now let's sing my favorite song. Ready?
Tens and ones, break it down, count them up. Math is fun. 3 tens and 4 ones, 34. 5 tens and 7 ones, 57. Let's go, Math Explorers. 21, 24, 28, so fun. 36, 39, we're not done. 42, 57, 63, so great. 75, 84, numbers are first rate. 91, 97, almost to 100, numbers everywhere, and we love them. We love them.
Remember, every big number is just tens and ones together, like carrot bunches and single carrots. Keep practicing your number magic, and you'll be a number champion every day. Thanks for helping me open all the boxes. You were awesome! See you next time for more number fun. Bye-bye, friends.